Hello, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an Instagram tutorial on how to save photos, videos on Instagram, okay? It's simple and easy, so if you're interested, continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is to locate the Instagram app on your phone. You tap on it. Okay, so once you tap on it, you should have in mind the pictures or the videos you want to save. Take for instance, I want to save this video here. What I'm going to do is to tap on this button here, okay, to save. I'm going to tap on this button you're seeing here. Once I tap on it, it will save the photo, okay. Tap on it. So it has been saved to my collection, okay. So you can do this to as many pictures as you want. You tap on this button to save, okay. So this is how you can save photos on Instagram. You could as well save videos, okay. It's just the same process, okay. So that's basically how you can save photos, videos on Instagram. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day.